If you're ready and you want it, you can have a bite.
With rice.
The only question needs
Meat
an
and rice.
answer. Are you hungry now? Getting hungry now. Am I making you hungry? Is this looking nice, yummy? Am I making you hungry? Is this looking nice, yummy? Oh, yeah, yeah, yummy. Oh, are you hungry? Oh, yeah, yeah, yummy. Oh, are you hungry? Oh, yeah, yeah, yummy. Oh, are you hungry? Oh, yeah, yeah, yummy. Oh, are you hungry?
Ba't tad-tad ang shawarma dito?
So far yung nakita ko mura. With rice, 60.
Meron actually mura. Kaso, it's something I see in Manila kasi I don't like to buy something that I see
Ito,
in Manila.
tapioca jelly. Ayoko naman maghalo-halo ng gabi.
Hindi mo katulog naman. Dadam.
Tayo lang yata yung pumunta rito na walang pambili. Kawawa naman tayo.
How much is kebab? Wow, 120 agad. Oh. Parang mapapang-fishbowl talaga tayo nito ah.
Malamang.
Let's go back to that later.
Ano yan?
That's over 100, no?
Waffle?
Over 100 yun. I don't want anything to go over the
Food. Yes.
samosa.
Ha?
Samosa is 20.
Ayan, tingnan natin, oh. Samosa. Wow. Japanese pancake. Sampu lang.
Wait lang.
Pita, shawarma, chicken katsu. 70.
Opo.
Spicy to ano? Spicy po.
Opo. Magkano po?
20. Ang hindi ko siya available.
Orderin mo? Hindi ko ano. Shall we return?
sasakyan natin.
Masakyan sila Kalil. Ay, sila Raya.
Kaya nandun kami yung corner. Tapat ng night market. Exit this way.
Saan tayo? Dulo-dulo?
Para bang mawawala kami. Bakit ka lang?
For night market mo, ang damit talaga.
Ang dami. Ang pagkain naman, Korean, shawarma, takoyaki, pancake, barbecue, vegan.
Hindi sobrang diverse.
Common din sa Manila.
Pero okay lang, hindi dahil masyadong gumastos din.
Wala tayong pangkain bukas. Grabe. Ano tayo dito bukas? Balik tayo dito.
Mga taxi.
Puro taxi. Wala nang jeep pag no? Tama, wala nang puro taxi lang.
Kaya we get to night market.
Address natin?
Lourdes Grotto na lang tayo bababa. Para mas mo. Kaya gusto ko sa Lourdes Grotto, 100 lang.
Sukli pa yan.